Aldra, we can see here the sea defences created of stones and pebbles, and this shoreline, hundreds of years ago, would have been much further back, but now it has eroded forwards towards the land.
So right now we are standing on a bay, Aldra Beach, and as you can see over there to the north, there is a much longer piece of land, and that is the headland, and that is a longer and lot harder for the sea to erode because it is hard rock. But over here is softer rock, so that is why the sea is closer to us over here than over there.
Behind me is a concrete wall. This is also used as a sea defence. So if the tide comes up and it comes past the stone pebbles, it will stop the flooding and the seawater going into the town.
As you can see here, there are a lot of groins on this side of the coast, and they are here to prevent longshore drift, which is where, when the tide's coming in, the wind all blows at an angle, so then all the pebbles and stones get collected up in one corner, and then use it to stop it happening.
Simply meant that people's houses were destroyed along the front, but then they could just build a new house at the back of the town. So effectively, the whole town just moved back with the shoreline. But then in the winter of 1286 to 1287, there was a storm, a big one, the really big one, the 1,000-year event, and it destroyed the harbour, threw shingle across the harbour mouth. And when they tried to dig their way back into the harbour, during the same storm, the river that had flowed out here broke out further north, where it flows out now between Walberswick and Southwark. And without the river flowing through it, the harbour just dried out. Now, with the loss of the harbour, the shipbuilding, which had been a big industry here, came to an end almost overnight. And the fishing and trade with the continent declined very rapidly, and then people moved away.
Here we are at a beach in Dunwich, and right now all that you can see at the moment, like the pebbles in the sea, was all a city. So some of it might have been grass and land, and some of it might have been churches and buildings. But then, as it came closer to the ocean managed to wash up all of the buildings. And so now all lies under the ocean that you can see right now, further ahead. We are in Dunwich, which used to be a famous medieval city in Suffolk, which got flooded due to coastal erosion. And there's a myth that you can hear the church bells ringing.
So we are now in the Dunwich Museum, and here is a picture of Dunwich, which is over here. And here the soft rock has been eroded away, creating this bay, and then the hard rock is out here creating the headland. And also this used to be the shoreline in 1250, and then it came in, and this was the shoreline in 1550.
For coastal erosion, there are 4 formulas, which include spring tides, extreme low pressure, wind direction and strength, and as you could see in Dunwich, North Sea funnel. This diagram represents a wave-cut platform, which demonstrates how cliffs get eroded.
The waves bash against the bottom of the cliff. This is called abrasion, which over time causes the overhanging part of the cliff to collapse, which then continues in a cycle which causes the land to advance inwards. The picture on the left shows what cliffs look like just before collapsing, when the waves have been bashing against the bottom of the cliff, causing it to erode. The picture on the right was what the cliff would have originally looked like.
This is how caves, arcs, stacks and stumps occur. Waves attack rocks using hydraulic action and abrasion, and then after all of that a crack is formed.
Over time, the crack is enlarged due to hydraulic action and abrasion to form a cave. The cave is widened and deepened and pushes through the headland to form a natural arch.
The headland above the arch is undercut, causing it to collapse, leaving a stack. Weathering and erosion wear stacked down to a stump. A great example for this are Old Harry's Rocks in Dover.
Here we can see the cross sections of either a river or the sea. These are the different types of erosion. Attrition is where rocks continuously bash against each other to create smaller pebbles over time. Abrasion is where the rocks are grinding along the seabed like sandpaper, and over time the rocks get smoother from this. Solution is where dissolved minerals are also carried along. And finally, hydraulic action is a form of a mechanical weathering where the water of waves bash constantly against rock and cause it to erode. This is the type which we can see in wave-cut platforms and cracks in headlands.
So here we are in we're here, right?
Well then.